Kia ora all, today we are checking out Waihi Beach and heading up to that glorious viewpoint. I walk the track so you can see what you're in for. You also get sounds of crashing waves, blustering winds and singing birds. Stick around and let me know in the comments if you have done this walk before. Hit subscribe and let's ride. Welcome to Waihi Beach! We're kind of near the north end here and we're going on the Orokawa walk. Going. Sand dunes between the land and the sea. This is a surfing beach. It's very windy today. Swim between the flags. Orokawa Bay track. Easy to moderate walking. Track starts at the north end of Waihi Beach. Viewing point is approximately 6 minutes or 300 meters. Hey, there's black sand here. Oh my god, that wind. What's white sand? Not black sand. Blackish. It's like me. It's part black. So windy. Holy moly, hopefully those rocks will survive. Nope, no windbreak, okay. Really sharp rocks. That doesn't look volcanic. How come they're so sharp? But the sea would have. Very massive, kind of a rock face, but it's just covered with like a lot of grass and trees. Orokawa. And off we go. Orokawa and Humanga tracks follow a very rugged coastline. Steep drops and cliffs exit along the edge of some tracks and some sections. For your own safety, please keep to the formed track and supervise children at all times. Sturdy footwear is advised. Oh, you can't have dogs here, but you can have the dogs on the beach. Yeah, isn't that glorious? Surfers, oh yeah. It's not quite a West Coast beach. There's definitely some waves. This little seagull is hilarious. Gotcha! Okay. Sneak peek. The cicadas aren't quite in full swing today, but they're still having a little bit of a rave.
Maybe it'll be a lot louder as the ocean sounds like it's so good.
Here we go.
Go to viewing point first.
Viewing point. Oh wow, this is a little overgrown, said bush, with gauze. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh la la. Wow, this greeny blue is absolutely glorious. Holy crap. Oh ho ho ho. People fishing down there. How you get down? Looks bloody dangerous. Wild, wild Waihi. Ooh, good thing you don't fish down there. Oh, there's even a rope access. Yeah. I do not trust that rope at all. Imagine going down that rope, you've got your fishing rod, your bucket, your whatever else. No. Some pretty mint waves here. You screw up though, you end up right in those shallow rocks. Viewing point and sheer drop with absolutely no protection. However glorious. And there is your viewing point. Whoop. Thank you for joining me. If you like this, check out the other video where we go all the way to Orokawa Bay. Share some love and click that button.